Today we're going to make crispy fried pop chicken that's crunchy on the outside, tender on the inside, and absolutely delicious. This dish is perfect to enjoy with warm rice or as a snack. Let's get started. Ingredients. Main ingredients. 1. 500 grams of chicken pieces, wings, thighs, or breasts as you prefer. 2 cloves of garlic, crushed. 3. Salt to taste. 4. Ground black pepper to taste. Flour coating. 1. 150 grams of all-purpose flour. 2. 50 grams of cornstarch. 3. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. 4.5 teaspoons of salt. 5.5 teaspoons of ground black pepper. Batter. 1 egg. Beaten. Cooking oil. Enough to deep fry the chicken until fully submerged. Steps. 1. Prepare the flour coating. In a large bowl, mix the all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking powder, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Stir until well combined. 2. Prepare the batter. In another bowl, mix the beaten egg with ice water until evenly combined. 3. Coat the chicken. Take the boiled chicken pieces, dip them into the egg batter, then coat them with the flour mixture until evenly covered. For a thicker crust, repeat the process by dipping them back into the batter and coating with flour again. 4. Heat the oil. Heat cooking oil in a frying pan until it's hot enough. Make sure there's enough oil to fully submerge the chicken pieces. 5. Fry the chicken. Carefully place the chicken into the hot oil. Fry over medium heat to ensure even cooking and prevent burning. Fry until the chicken is golden brown and crispy. Remove the chicken and place it on paper towels to absorb excess oil. 6. Serve. Your fried pop chicken is ready to serve. Place it on a serving plate and enjoy it with warm rice, chili sauce, or your favorite dipping sauce. Closing. And there you have it, crispy and delicious fried pop chicken. It's easy to make, perfect for any occasion, and sure to be a hit with your family. Don't forget to try this recipe at home and share your experience. See you in the next recipe.